Assalamu alaikum children. Today in English language we are going to do Unit 1, Look in a Book. We will do Lesson 5, Read and Respond. We will talk about the articles a and an, and we will also talk about adjectives. Now for the pictures that will be shown, what would you use? A or an? This is eagle. So what are you going to use with eagle? Eagle begins with the vowel E. So for eagle, we are going to use an eagle. This is a superhero. Superhero begins with a consonant S. S is a consonant, so we are going to use a superhero. This is a truck. Again, truck begins with the word T. T is a consonant. So we are going to use a truck. This is an elephant. Elephant begins with the vowel E. So we are going to say an elephant. This is an ink pot. Ink pot. It begins with the vowel I. So we are going to use an ink pot. Now I hope you have understood when do we use a and when do we use an. We use a before words that begin with a consonant. A boy, a school, a car. You can see boy begins with B, school begins with S, and car begins with C. B, S and C are the consonants. So we use a before the consonants. We use an before words that begin with a vowel. An umbrella, an apple, an egg. You can see umbrella, apple and egg begin with a vowel U, A and E. So we are going to use an before the umbrella, apple and egg. Now let's come over to our activity book, page 9. We are going to do exercise 4 and 5. First, you have to write today's date, 29 June 2020. You have to write classwork and Monday on this page. Exercise 4. What is it? Write what each thing is. Use a or an for writing them. The first in the word box you can see is ant. Ant. It begins with A. Fish. F. It begins with F. Octopus. O. It begins with O. So you can see ant and octopus, they are beginning with vowels, and fish begins with a consonant F. So we had discussed anything that begins with a vowel, any word that begins with a vowel has an before it, and any word that begins with a consonant has a before it. So you can say it's an octopus, it's a fish, it's an ant. Now look at the crossword puzzle. This will just help our vocabulary. We are going to look at the clues and write the words. First, across. What is across? Across is which goes from this side to this side. This is across. If I go from here to here, this is across. If I go from top to bottom, this is down. Okay, so let's look at the across one. This one. The first one is clap. 2 across. This is the 2 across, C-L-A-P, clap. Now the other across is 4 across. 4 across is 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 6 across is, you can see there are pens. So 6 across is pens. Now look at the down ones. The first down is 11. Then number 3 one, the 3 down is ships. There are 2 ships, so ships. Then there is 1 across left, that is duck. 7 is duck. And 1 down, 5 down is neck, N-E-C-K, neck. I hope you have completed your activity book, page 9. Let's move over to the words that describe the noun. We are going to describe the following nouns with one word. We can describe their color, we can describe the number, we can describe the quality. You can see this is a jacket. It has a black color, so we can say it's a black jacket. There is only one jacket, so we will say this is one jacket. We are using the number and color to describe the jacket. Jacket is a noun, okay? And any word that describes a noun is an adjective. So one jacket, one is an adjective. Black jacket, black is an adjective. Now let's look at this picture. These are two boys. Two boys you can see in the picture. So two is an adjective, boys is a noun. So you're describing boys with two. Two is a number, so two is an adjective. Look at the shirt of the boy. The boy is wearing a red shirt. So shirt is a noun and you're describing it with the color red. So it is an adjective. Red is an adjective. Look at the boy's hair. It is golden. Golden hair. Hair is a noun and golden is the color. So golden is an adjective. Look at this boy's hair. It is brown in color. Brown hair. So brown is an adjective. Hair is a noun. Look at the pant of this boy. It is of blue color. So blue pant. The boy is wearing a blue pant. Blue is a color and pant is a noun. So we say that blue is an adjective. Now we are going to write the definition of adjective in our notebooks. How will you define adjective? Adjective is a describing word that describes a noun. It can be a person, place, animal or thing. For example, blue whale. Blue is an adjective. Whale is a fish. A very huge fish. Two trees. How many trees are there? Two. Two is describing the trees. Trees is a noun, so two is an adjective. Black jacket. Jacket is a noun. Black is describing the jacket, so black is adjective. Green eyes. Green eyes. Eyes is a noun and green is a color, so green is an adjective. Now let's come over to our syllabus worksheet. We are going to do adjectives with the number and color. Now look over here. Circle each number or color adjective in each sentence below. We have discussed the adjectives. We can describe the nouns by using the color and the number. So the color and the number would be the adjective. The green tree looked very healthy. So green is an adjective. There can be up to 10 players on the basketball court. So 10 is an adjective. Number 3, I have 5 fingers on my hand. 5 is an adjective. Number 4, the red house stood out on the road. Red is an adjective. Number 5, I bought black shirt for the play. Black is an adjective. Number 6, there are 11 players on the football field. 11 players. Players is a noun. 11 is an adjective. Number 7, the blue sky looked beautiful at the beach. Sky is a noun. Blue sky. Blue is an adjective. Number 8, my eyes were red because of the wind. Now over here eyes and red are separate, but red color is telling us about the eyes. So we will say red is an adjective. Number 9, we have 15 more days of summer. So 15 more days. Now how many days are there? 15. Days is a noun, 15 is a number. So 15 is an adjective. Number 10, my family went on a vacation for 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Days is a noun, 7 is an adjective. The green and red shoes stood out amongst the others. Now shoes is a noun, green and red is a color. So green and red is an adjective. I have 5 more tests to take. How many more tests? How many tests? Tests is a noun and 5 more tests. So 5 is an adjective. I hope the adjectives and the use of articles is clear. Practice the use of a and an and learn the definition of adjectives as homework. Okay, take care of yourselves. We are going to continue with a new topic tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.